The SEO landscape is evolving fast. What worked in 2024 might not cut it in 2025. Want to stay ahead of the curve? We're breaking down the top emerging SEO trends that will redefine your strategies. Stick around for actionable insights that'll skyrocket your rankings. Artificial intelligence is no longer a buzzword. It's a game changer in SEO. From tools like ChatGPT helping with content to Google Bard enhancing search experiences, AI is streamlining how we optimize websites. What to focus on in 2025? Use AI for content generation that matches search intent. Leverage AI analytics for real-time keyword insights. Optimize for AI-driven features like Google's AI search overviews and Bard integrations. By 2025, over 50% of searches will be voice-based. Optimizing for voice search isn't optional anymore. It's essential. Key tips. Focus on natural language phrases and question-based keywords. Structure your content with featured snippets and concise answers. Don't forget local SEO. Most voice searches are location-specific. Search engines are getting smarter at understanding visual content. In 2025, video and image search will dominate like never before. What to focus on? Optimize images with descriptive alt text and structured data. Use video SEO strategies like transcriptions, captions, and thumbnails. Leverage tools like Google Lens for visual search opportunities. Mobile-first indexing is here to stay, and Google's Core Web Vitals will play an even bigger role in 2025. How to stay ahead? Focus on fast loading times and responsive design. Optimize largest contentful paint, LCP, and cumulative layout shift, CLS. Use Google's page speed insights to monitor and improve performance. Coming up next, EEAT and long-form content. Google's focus on experience, expertise, authority, and trust, EEAT, is stronger than ever. 2025 strategies you should follow are: publish long-form, in-depth content that adds real value. Build author authority by showcasing credentials and expertise. Focus on user experience signals, like bounce rates and dwell time. Next, local SEO and hyper-personalization. Local searches are booming, and hyper-personalization is the key to standing out. How to dominate. Optimize for Google My Business and local search terms. Use geo-targeted ads to personalize user experiences. Implement voice and mobile-first strategies to capture local intent. SEO in 2025 is all about innovation, personalization, and staying ahead of trends. Which trend will you tackle first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Spotupp for more SEO tips and updates. See you in the next video. Thank you.